Good morning. This is Harshala Singh, working as Assistant Professor at IT Department, St. Vincent College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Here you can see the course that has been organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Apurdi. Here is the course that I have created for this week. First week, they have asked to create Genomio Moodle for your subject. So in this I have created a Moodle for subject object oriented methodology. In this I have added the syllabus. This is unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I have added the curriculum gaps that is being identified from the DBA2. In this I have done the self-registration and email based self-registration. Now the second week is creating the MCQs in the Moodle. So I have created the quiz plugin. Over here you can see I have created multiple types of quiz in this. Quiz 1 related to multiple choice quiz 2 matching, GIF, true or false, essay writing, short answer, drag and drop and likewise. In week 3 this is related to the completion analysis, award and recognition and adding dummy student. So here I have added the dummy student. Here is the dummy student. Then you can see at the right side the course completion bar and the course completion status and then the week 4 is related to OER resources, class attendance, audio video quiz. So in this you can see I have created audio quiz, then class attendance, file resources and all. Now for the week 5 it has been asked for the it is dealing with outcome based education, then Bloom's taxonomy and all stakeholders collaboration survey. I have created this, the questions related to BT4, BT5, BT6 level, then the stakeholder as alumni I have added in this, then Naukri.com, and here is the course feedback and the learning experience by students. So I have added in this my Moodle site object oriented methodology. Then the week 6 activities related to the COPO attainment. This was very helpful for me to create and to map the POs to the course outcome. So I have added here advanced learner test CO1, that is mapping of course outcome 1 with all 12 POs, and then the indirect survey on learning outcomes for PO 1 to 12. Then the week 7 is the course outcome measurement. To measure the course outcome, I have added certain games. That games are related to the subject itself, like millennium, snakes and ladder, crosswords. I have added glossary and imported that glossary for creating the crosswords, millennium and snakes and ladders. In this fashion I have created this and the last one is learning outcome from week 1 to 8, video presentation of your Moodle created. Then the impact analysis by the participants. So I have added all these things in this Moodle website. So you can see here again for the activity completion status, then completion criteria, awarding the badges to the students, and then whatever the preparation, pre-class preparation, if you're requiring kind of flipped classroom, so we can give videos like this for this. And all this have been created with the support by the all resource person from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. Thanks for your support. Thank you very much.